how to fix camera and flashlight not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this issue on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and long press on the camera app icon and tap App Info. After that, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data. From there, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. At this point, once your device boots back up, test both the camera and flashlight to see if they're working. In the next step, if the issue persists, open Settings and tap on Software Update to check if an update is available and install it. Following this, if the camera and flashlight are still not working, go to Settings, tap on Apps, find the camera app, and tap on Permissions to make sure all permissions are enabled. Finally, if nothing works, go to Settings, tap on General Management, then Reset, and tap Reset All Settings to restore everything back to default. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your camera and flashlight, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.